Hello everyone! Are you ready to get started with Amazon FBA and make money online? We're here to guide you. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 3 categories to tap into in 2023 to maximize your sales and profits. Whether you're looking to quit your current job or just generate extra income, make sure you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss out. So, before we dive into these 3 must-see categories, let me share a secret, which will help you get started and get your Amazon business off the ground even faster and easier. You really want to succeed on Amazon. Check out Helium 10, a complete set of smart tools to get you started and grow your business. With a database of over 450 million products, you can find your first winning product today. Go to the Helium 10 website and get 20% off your first 6 months. You can find a link to Helium 10 coupon codes in the description of this video. We'll see you right after this. Welcome to the Home and Kitchen category, a growing area for first-time sellers on Amazon. This category features a multitude of home and kitchen items, and its success is based on the constant demand from consumers to improve and make their lives easier. Beginners have a wide range of products to sell, as well as a constantly expanding marketplace. In order to get started, it is crucial to study the most popular products and current market trends. Eco-responsible items, multifunctional kitchen utensils and smart storage accessories are promising segments. By focusing on these trends, you can better meet customer expectations and stand out from the competition. To be successful in the home and kitchen category, it's essential to choose the products you'll sell. Look for products with stable demand and moderate competition. The presentation of your products is also crucial in attracting customers' attention and enticing them to buy. Present your products with detailed descriptions and attractive images. Consider using appropriate keywords in your listings to improve the visibility of your products and increase your sales prospects. The profit potential in this category is promising, with a marginal profit of 19%. To give you an idea of what products are easy for beginners to launch, here are 3 examples. Reusable glass jars for food storage. These jars are both practical and environmentally friendly, as they reduce plastic use and keep food longer. Durable and eco-friendly silicone cookware. These utensils are heat-resistant, won't scratch surfaces, and are easy to clean. Modular closet organizers to maximize storage space. These storage systems help organize and maximize the space available in kitchen cabinets. By following these tips and adapting to market trends, you can build a solid and profitable business in the home and kitchen category. Not only will your customers be fully satisfied, but you will also avoid product safety risks. The category we are now going to address is that of beauty and personal care products. On the American platform, the category is called Beauty and Personal Care. This category is very popular with sellers, especially those who are starting their adventure in the world of online sales. There are several advantages to choosing this category for beginning sellers. First of all, beauty and personal care products are in constant demand, as customers are always looking for new ways to take care of their bodies. In addition, this category often offers attractive profit margins, which is a plus for entry-level salespeople. Current trends in this category include a growing interest in natural and eco-friendly products. Consumers are increasingly looking to use products that are friendly to the environment and their skin. Here are 3 examples of products that may be worth launching on Amazon when starting out. Biodegradable fabric face masks. Bamboo toothbrushes. Solid soaps and solid shampoos without plastic packaging. To succeed in this category, it's essential to know the market trends and customer expectations. Be sure to offer quality products with attractive packaging and accurate, detailed descriptions. Also, don't forget to offer fast and efficient customer service to gain customer trust and good reviews. By focusing on the beauty and personal care category, you can expect a 21% profit margin, making it an attractive choice for new sellers. By following the tips mentioned above and offering products that are in line with current trends, you can make great sales and generate a nice income. Let's dive into the toys and games category, a promising choice for new sellers on Amazon. Toys and games are an integral part of childhood and are often purchased as gifts for special occasions. By investing in this category, you can take advantage of sustained demand throughout the year and an ever-changing marketplace. Popular products and market trends include wooden toys, building sets, and hobby items. Wooden toys, for example, are valued for their durability and eco-friendliness. Building sets, such as modular bricks compatible with major brands, provide hours of fun and stimulate creativity. Creative hobby kits, such as number painting or jewelry making kits, allow children to develop their artistic talents. To get into this category, it's important to stay on top of trends and new products. Research what's hot and make sure you're offering quality items that meet consumer expectations. Don't hesitate to optimize your product sheets with clear descriptions and quality images to entice potential buyers. The profit potential of the toys and games category is considerable, with an average profit margin of 20%. By choosing the right products and adopting best practices for selling on Amazon, first-time sellers can expect positive results. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software, such as Helium 10, AMZScout and AMZScout, with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic, which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.